Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn off read receipt on your Instagram group chat. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram direct message right here. Then select the group chat you want to turn off the read receipt, and I'm gonna go with this group chat, so we can tap on the group chat, and after that we can click on this option, and you can simply tap on the privacy and safety option and click on this toggle button to turn off your read receipt of your Instagram group chat. Okay, and now the read receipt has been turned off, and that's how we can turn off read receipt on Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.